Now to give us an overview of our three-day conference, please welcome our moderator for this afternoon, former Ambassador Henrietta T. De Villa, co-founder and chair of the Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You are awake. That's good. This is the best part after prayer, to recognize our brothers and sisters in this family conference and call each by name. Now, when we cite and recall a country in Asia, we can put not just the name, but also faces in each country. Faces of people who are here and whom we have met and broke bread with. Since more than a month ago, when I've been emailing our delegates from Asia, I find myself musing sometimes. I wonder how Father Hubertus Hartono of Indonesia looks like, or how dear Archbishop Paul Bui Van Dok, with such a musical name, sounds. When Archbishop Paul arrived and started speaking, wow, his English is good. When Father Hartono walked in, wow, he looks like a Filipino. And when Father Miha Majetic of Kazakhstan finally checked in, my Secretary Alice of our secretariat called me and said, "Wow, Mom, he is handsome." And with the joy of recognition, we call our FABC delegates from Bangladesh. Can you please stand up and be recognized and give them a warm applause? Bishop Ponen Paul Kubi, Father Jyoti Francis Costa, and Miss Lily Gomez. And from Hong Kong, Nelly and Kevin. Where are Nelly and Kevin? From Indonesia, Bishop Franz Kopongkung, Father Hartono, who looks like a Filipino, Alex and Swaning Gosyanto, a couple. From Kazakhstan, the handsome one, Father Majetic, Miha Majetic, there he is. From Laos, Cambodia, Archbishop Louis Marie Ling Mangkanek Hun. I did that well, huh, Archbishop? And then from Macau, Father Art Balana, Sister Rosa Beloria, and Mrs. Rose Bell Balatbat. There they are. From Myanmar, we also have a lone delegate, Father Stephen So Min Lak. From Nepal, Bishop Anthony Sharma and Father Robin Rai. From Pakistan, Bishop Rufin Anthony. From Taiwan, Bishop John Baptist Lee and Miss Shin Pin Chow is there. From Thailand, Archbishop Louis Shamyen Santisukniram. Bishop John Bosco Panya. The last name is very difficult for me. And then Father John Tamayo. He carries a Filipino surname. And Mr. Jaime Lozare. From Vietnam, Archbishop Paul Bui Van Dok. Bishop Joseph Chow Ngong Tri, the cross-bearer. Father Louis Nguyen Antuan, the pupil of Bishop Lafitte. And Mr. John Tadin Bui. From FABC, we have the beautiful lady, Miss Wendy Lewis. From the CBCP, we have our bishops here and their delegates. Of course, we have our president of the CBCP, the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, Archbishop Soc Villegas, Socrates Villegas. Is Lingayen Dagupan people, are you here? Yes, we can hear them, but we cannot see them. They're there. We have also delegates from Davao, Archbishop Romulo Valles. He's attending the installation of our Archbishop of Zamboanga, but his delegates are here. I saw them earlier. Archbishop John Du of the battered Leyte Archdiocese. His delegates are here. Yes, let's give a big clap because they're survivors of the terrible Yolanda. And then we just heard Bishop Gabriel V. Reyes, who is also head of the Episcopal Commission on Family and Life, and his delegates from Antipolo. Bishop Jesse Mercado heads Episcopal Commission on the Laity, and his Parañaque delegates. Bishop Nerio Ojimar from faraway Tandag, he is here. He was formerly president of our CBCP, and his delegates. Bishop Rodolfo Beltran from San Fernando, La Union, here. Delegates. Bishop Bernardino Cortez of Manila and the Manila delegates. Bishop Navarra of Bacolod and the Bacolod delegates. Bishop Crispin Barquez of Borongan, also a battered diocese of Yolanda. There is their delegate. Oh, thank you for coming. Bishop Buenaventura Famadico of San Pablo, Laguna, and their delegates. Laguna. There, over there. Oh, there are plenty. And then also from Baguio of Bishop Carlito Zenson, Baguio. There. It's too warm. They don't want to stand up because they're used to the cold of Baguio. Bishop Juan de Dios Pueblos, who has been here with us since yesterday, and his diocese and his delegates from Butuan. Bishop Honesto Ongtioco, the bishop of my diocese, of Cubao, Quezon City, Cubao. Where are you? Delegates? Well, I am a delegate. Bishop Gilbert Barcera, who presided over our opening liturgy, and his delegates of Daet. There they are. Oh, almost one half of the row. And then Bishop Florentino Lavarias of Iba. He was here also with us since yesterday. And his delegates, there. Two, couple. And then from Bishop Martin Humoad of Basilan, Isabella Basilan of Mindanao. They registered, the first ones who registered yesterday. Where are they? There, sister. And then 3 lay women. Bishop Emilio Marquez of Lucena and his delegates. He just went home to prepare for the burial of his predecessor, Bishop Profugo. Please pray for the repose of his soul. And then Bishop Jose Bantolo of Masbate. Masbate delegates. There. It's there. Bishop Milo Vergara of Pasig. His delegates are here. Pasig. There, at the back. Bishop Antonieto Cabahog of Surigao, also Mindanao. His delegates. There. Sister. Bishop Andaya of Tabuk. Delegates. Yun, mayroon naman, doon sa dulo. And then Bishop Hausian, he was here, of Bangged. Delegates, there, over there. 4 of them. Bishop Cabantan of Malaybalay. Delegates. But Bishop was here yesterday, went home only for the installation of their neighbor. Bishop Monsignor Mario Establecida, Apostolic Vicar of Infanta, delegates, there. And then Bishop Joey Oliveros of Malolos and his delegates, Bulacan is just nearby, Bulacan, where are you? They're still coming. Oh, there at the back. Bishop Ruperto Santos of Balanga, Bataan. Balanga, Bataan, there. 2 of them. Bishop Sofronio Bangkud of Cabanatuan, his delegates. Bishop is here, and that's his delegate. Bishop Romulo de la Cruz is being installed as the Archbishop of Zamboanga now, so please pray for him and his people. And Bishop Robert Malyari, he's here from San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Yeah, that's there are the delegates. They are shy. So let's give a round of applause for our CBCP and FABC delegates. And please, allow me some time because I am so proud and happy to work with them. Our ACF team, of course, our 2 cardinals who are now out of the country are the honorary chair, but our chairman who walks with us, really walks with us, Archbishop Socrates Villegas is chairman of the Asian Conference on the Family. And our dear Bishop Gabriel Reyes, vice chairman, who worries every night how we're doing with the preparations. That's why he's getting thinner and thinner. And of course, we have in our committee Bishop Jesse Mercado. He's of the laity. Also, Miss Maribel Descallar. Maribel, who is also working her knees to the bone. And we have, of course, dear Father Rico Ayo. Yes. Yes, I know. And of course, Father Rico, you know we cannot do anything without you. And of course, the beautiful liturgy. All of this had been planned and worked out with precision and, of course, with love and always with prayer. Father Genaro O. Diwa. Where is he? When I get his initials, it's G-O-D, God. And then also Father Carmelo Arada. He was here a while ago. And Father Carlo del Rosario and all their assistants. Yesterday, you met Father Monsignor Gerardo Santos, Jerry Santos, who heads the catechists. No? Even if he's not here, some catechists is here. Can you give him a big clap? And of course, we have Father Marvin Mejia. He's over there. Father Marvin, he is the Secretary General of CBCP. Please pray for him because he's a very bad back. And then, Delegate of Cáceres, Naga. Of course, Father William, how could I forget you? And where are your delegates? Otherwise, he will not forgive me. Over there. And then, Frank and Jerry Padilla. Frank and Jerry, who's always also been sitting with us in the preparations and who will head the culminating event on May 16. And we have Father Dave Concepcion, who took care of the airport arrival and who will bring you also when you go home. And Doctora Amelita Dairit Go, who provides meals and refreshments with her troop, with her ladies. Of course, Attorney Dalmacio Lim is not here, but he's the one who provides for our transportation and the buses. And Pichi Yamsuan for media and promotions. Pichi, are you here? But certainly, her husband is here. Noli, where's Noli? Taking all your pictures. Where's Noli? There is Noli, who is sitting now, not taking pictures. Okay, that's the ACF team. The Asian Conference, of course, the Asian Conference on the Family could not have been if it were not the idea and the hope and the prayer of a French man of God, whom you have met yesterday, whom you will hear today, Bishop Jean Lafitte. He has so many names, but I have not memorized them all. Sufficient to say that he is the youngest of a family of 12 brothers and sisters. Yay for the family. Yeah. A living testimony. The we have also the delegates from the Archdiocese of Cebu. Cebu. Father Marvin is one of them, and those are the 3 ladies from Cebu. Welcome. Oh, still many. From Kalibo, Aklan. Kalibo, Aklan, they're there. That's the land of the Ati-Atihan, where they dance for the Santo Niño. Any delegates not called? Huh? Myanmar. Myanmar? Samar. My goodness, yung ba? Samar ba? You know, we will fault our registration committee for not recognizing you. Can you please stand up and shout where you are from, please? Legazpi, Legazpi, Bicol. Give them a warm clap. Also Bicol, Legazpi. Where? Sorsogon, all from Bicol, forgotten. Ako, please stand up, all of you from Bicol. But never mind. Yes, we're Cagayan de Oro of Mindanao. And Dumaguete of Macu, Bishop Lito Cortez. Naku, ang dami pala. Archdiocese of Surigao? Lipa, Batangas. Oh, the home province of my husband. Who else? Kidapawan of Mindanao. You are here, and your bishop is being installed in Zamboanga. You deserve a double clap. Over there? Where? Katarman, yes. And? Kabangkalan, okay. Of course, we have, yes? Wow, how can I forget, the delegates of the delegates of the former diocese of our Cardinal Tagle. Please, give them a big clap. Baka isumbong ako eh. And these ladies and gentlemen, Haro of Archbishop Angel. Clap again, please. And of course, we have Singapore, a walk-in. Daniel and Shelly E. They're there. A couple walk-in. Thank you. Yes? Iligan, also from Mindanao. So we have the entire Philippines here. Oh? Yes, we called Cagayan de Oro, isn't it? Yes. Form? Pagadian. Oh, well, plenty Mindanao here, Naku, ang lapit nyo, nakalimutan pa kayo. Caloocan, here, belonging to the NCR. Yes? Saan? Calapan, Mindoro. And sister? Puerto Princesa of Palawan. Thank you. And the other two? Lawag, Ilocos Norte. Yes, 2 more? Cotabato, also of Cotabato from Mindanao, and Camarines Sur, Libmanan of Bicol. Lahat ng Bicol nakalimutan. Papameriendahin kayo ng registration committee. Boac, Marinduque, yes? Pampanga, which is so near. Pampanga, San Fernando, Pampanga, and Urdaneta, Pangasinan. Naku, neighbor diocese suffragan of Archbishop Sok. So is that all? I hope that you will understand. O, meron pa doon? Ano yon? Sino? Novaliches, also very near Quezon City. Novaliches. Saan? Military Ordinariate of the Philippines. Naku, our safekeepers of our security. So thank you. But be consoled that those who are the least, the last, will be the first in heaven. You know, the Asian Conference on the Family has 4 main events. The first day was a roaring start. The passion of Archbishop Sok was infectious. In the heart, drawn to obedience, urged by love. Love learned from the first school of humanity, the family. Always and only the family. But this passageway of humanity is encountering such fatal blows identified by our visiting exegete on family and marriage, as I noted what he said, and I even underlined it, as a liberal culture that pushes forth a notion of freedom without limits. And gradually, but deliberately, again in his words, blotting out the collective conscience of the people. One of the results, he said, is that definition of marriage is undergoing a radical configuration. Today's conference on family and life, the 3rd event in the Asian Conference on the Family, will recall the joy and hope, the grief and anguish of the family, as also the joy and hope, the grief and anguish of humanity. And the Church, Mater et Magistra, a loving mother and a wise teacher, shows us in these 3 days the way, the truth, and the life of the family. Jesus, only Jesus, always Jesus. Yesterday, I remember, last Monday, in the sweltering heat of 35.4 Celsius afternoon weather, I asked Wendy Lewis, with your experience, your many experiences in the ministry for the family, what would be the situationer of the Asian family? Wendy paused, then finally said, there is not one situation, but many situations. Each country different from the other. She went out for some air while I ate my halo-halo. Yesterday, those of you who were with me tasted our sweets, the sweet condiments mixed in crushed ice and ice cream. Did you like that? Oh, the others did not get, so I better not say anymore. I might have to give you all halo-halo. But both as an effort to ease the heat. When Wendy came back inside Friendship Hall 2, where the Asian delegates are billeted, she underscored all family situations as deriving from poverty. And I know that poverty in Asia has many, many different faces, subverting the family, keeping it from what God ambitions it to be. Today's conference, as I said, will begin to try to show us the different faces of poverty in Asia. And to expand the coverage of welcome that is love, love that is God, God is love, is a dedicated woman minister for, with, and through the family, the Executive Secretary of the FABC Office of Laity and the Family, Miss Wendy Lewis of Singapore. Let's welcome Wendy with a big clap.